Hi everyone! So I have a project share to do with some items that I received from BeeBeeCraft. So I had ordered this box set right here. And in this box set, it has eyes for dolls. So there are some eyes that have color to them, and then there are some doll eyes that are just black. And then there were also these flat backs that you could use to glue on as little eyes. So my mother crochets. I have never learned. I've tried and I just cannot grasp the concept of how to make things work. So she's been a busy little bee creating these little ducks for our upcoming Disney cruise. People hide little rubber ducks throughout the ship for others to find, and she wanted to crochet some. So that's what we use these little eyes for. So for these guys, I used these little glue ones right here. And then for some of her larger ones, like this Mike Wazowski, she used one of these peg ones. So I just wanted to show you guys how everything came out and how easy they are to use. I was thinking about even using these for just like, what is called like die cuts. These flat back ones I think would be really great for die cuts. Okay, so right here I tried to make a Mickey Mouse and I glued one of these clearance pom-poms on there and it was too small, so I tried to glue two to make it a little bit bigger, and I just don't like how it came out, so I'm gonna have to get some bigger ones since we are going to Disney Cruise. I was trying to make it look like Mickey, so that was my little intention there. This one is not done, but she is doing a Ariel, and you can see here she used these peg eyes again, the one with the little post. So she used those right there for that one. We have a Baymax that she also used the larger peg eyes for Baymax. And we have a Snow White who is not completed, but she used the colored eyes. So if you can see, her eye is brown. So that was one of these peg ones right here. I think she's coming out looking so sweet and so cute. I didn't like her shoes though. That was my only recommendation, was to change because they hadn't matched her bow, and I just didn't think that was really cute. And then she is working on Baby Yoda over here. And let's see. Oh, these are supposed to be Perry the Platypus. So she just needs to do a little hat for him, which I think are going to be so cute. I was trying to keep all the Disney ones, and she told me no. So here is the entire kit. It does come with glue sticks, which I did use to glue these down. And then it does come with a Pokie tool. So if you need to poke through a hole for these ones with the post, but she said she didn't have a problem just going ahead and using her fingers to get them in there, so that was really nice. And then it does come with the disc, so once you put the post in the head, you put the little like disc back here just so it stays in place so they don't fall out, and then you finish crocheting the head to the body. So I wanted to show you guys how easy these are to use. So some tricks and tips that I learned from my mother was when she stuffs these, you know, they have like that polyfiber fill stuff. And she says that it's very expensive if you get it at a store. So what she's done is she bought a cheap little pillow from Walmart. And that's what she used to stuff all of these little characters, and she's been using that for years because it's more affordable. And then the other thing that she told me to do, because I was the one that glued down the eyeballs, so what she told me to do was to get some of these straight pins so that way I could gauge where I wanted the eyes, and I thought that was really genius as well. So with these smaller ducks, you just have to make sure you don't poke your finger through the back. But when I first started, you know, I didn't know where I wanted the eyes, so you could just go ahead and place it to see if that is somewhere you want it to be. And then, you know, you just have to factor in that these are very tiny little pins. So these are all a lot larger. So just factor in, you know, a little bit more space for your larger eyes. So that's how he did it. Like I said, you know, just be aware that if you use long pins like this, that it may come out the back of your doll. So just be careful, because I did stab myself the first time I did it. So we're going to glue some of these together. Now I was using a like pickup stick. You know, they sell them for when you do diamond paintings. You know, they're just the little pens that come for those. So that's what I was using to place the eyes. But I did want to show that it is actually really easy just to go ahead and place them with your fingers. So I'm going to take these out, because I finally figured out if I went like right on the edge of the beak and 2 rows up, I was liking how my placement was. So we're just going to go ahead and we are going to glue these down. And then what I did was I kind of just brought one out to see, you know, what size would I like. You know, do I want this side or this size? Some of them I gave them like big old eyes, you know, like this guy right here I think will do a big eye. And then I just took 2 of them out because I did make a mistake where I got one larger one and then one smaller one, but I noticed in time that I was able to take the smaller eye off before the glue set. So when you're doing these, I would highly recommend taking out both the eyes at the same time, so you know that you have the correct size and don't make a mistake like I did. So all what I did was I just, you know, eyed where I wanted the little eyeball to go and just add a tiny little drop of hot glue. And then just go ahead and place the eye. And then before smashing it down, you can go ahead and you have a little bit of time to move it around. And then when it was in place is when I went ahead and I just smushed it in. And then see, there's his little eye. So I'm going to do the other side. Like I said, I figured out with these, I come right to that side of the beak and go about 2 rows up. And then I just go ahead and put that right in there. And then lay them like kind of flat. See, I was holding it up trying to like show you guys, and then the glue kind of came down a little bit. But just with the eye, I'm going to kind of just push that back where I want that glue to be. So it's still hot, so it's still, you know, able to move around. And then just go ahead and place that. So there's our little ducky. And then she did make some little bows. So I wanted to place a little bow on him. I thought that was so cute. So I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue right to the neck there. And then we're going to go ahead and stick that bow right there, which I thought was so adorable. So see, they're very easy to use. Even if you don't have one of those, you know, like little pickup sticks, you could go ahead and use your fingers for these, and they come out really, really nice, really cute. I mean, I guess if you had tweezers, you could probably be able to use, you know, some tweezers like this as well to go ahead and place them. I do have one more here. So again, I'm going to take out the eyes I want to use. I think that one's too small. We'll go. This one seems to be a really good size for the size little ducks that she made. I've been really liking that size. A couple of them I did use the smaller one. So you can see the size comparison here. This is the smaller size. This is the larger size. And I just think that these just came out so, so cute. I'm just loving how those worked out. So you just need just a tiny little glob of glue. And then just go ahead, find your spacing, smush that down there. Other side, and smush that down there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you guys some ideas and some little, you know, tips on using a pillow and, you know, just going ahead and using these. I think these would be so cute on some of our paper crafting, you know, to go ahead and use, especially if you have like little gingerbread. That's what I'm working on right now for Christmas. I was thinking about using some of these little flat back eyes because I think they would be just so, so stinking cute. So that's a little video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.